Unbelievable. I'm hiding these.
Oh, for heaven's sake, Milo, it's 2 a.m. Give me that thing now. Milo, really, fine. Run off then. Unbelievable.
What's that noise? Huh?
Yo, woke up in a blanket, head on a cloud, whiskers in the moonlight, purring out loud, paw on the pillow, dreaming of fish. Now I'm wide awake and I'm serving up a dish, rhythm in my rib cage, beating my tail, stories in my stripes that the tabloids fail. Meow.